Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and as you can see I am partly ready. So what I thought is I'd bring you guys an eyeshadow look, but basically this is the Zoeva Prism. Now, but it's got 3 of the classic palettes in this gorgeous box, because this is how it comes in this gorgeous box. It's like, I'm going to get it. It's got all 3 palettes in, so it's gorgeous packaging, and we all know what I'm like about packaging. I like my packaging, that's why everything goes back into boxes. So in the box you get the Zoeva Cocoa Blend, and this is the palette. And then we've got the caramel one, and that's the colours in the caramel one. And then we've got the Blanc Fusion. Beautiful colours in it. Right, so I think I'm going to go with the Cocoa Blend one. The only thing that doesn't impress me is the fact there's no mirrors, but you can't have everything in life. Come on. Some swatches first, and when I do the other palettes. So there's the first 4. So there are the first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the next 4. There's the next 4. That's really good for being a dark colour. That's the last 2. This one's got a little bit of sparkling, but I can't imagine it transferring onto your eyes. So I'm going to go into this one just here, just to set my base. I've caught Beauty, guys. Hopefully I don't go too out of shot. They're just here. All in my grease. It's called the first one that I used was Knitter Starter, and then I'm going into Substitute for Live. There is a bit of fallout, but not loads, and the pigment's there straight away. So that's really nice. I'm going to go into this one just here, and it's called Pleasantly Toasted. Same brush. I'm going to darken the crease. And oh, that's got nice pigment. And I'm going to take it on the outer corner. Just darken it up a little bit more with this colour. I do watch a few YouTube. I'm then going in with a pencil brush, and I'm going to darken out that outer corner a little bit more with this colour, and it's called Choice of Beans and Whites. Probably totally wrong, but so I'm not going in heavy-handed because I'm just doing it a little bit at a time, because as soon as you start packing on it really heavy-handed, you're not going to be able to blend. So and then I'm taking the shimmer one, and it's called Infusion, and again just a little bit. So similar colour, very similar, and I'm just going to take a bigger pointed brush and just give it a little bit of a blend. Well, a bigger swipe so that lines aren't so harsh. I'm going to see what this one looks like first. It's called Sweeter End. Just with a packing brush. There is fallout. Not a lot of colour payoff on this colour. It's still nice, I'm not saying it's not, but I was expecting a little bit more reflex. So I'm going back in with my first one, and I'm just gonna lightly, and very lightly, especially on the dark part, because I don't want that really to move. What I might actually do is go in with the gold one here, and get a tighter packing brush and see if that will give me the pop that I want. I want some pop. So, oh, that's nice. I do like that. I'm just gonna blend them together again. Back in with the Substitute for Love and just blend. Put a little bit on, didn't need a lot. That gold looks like with Fix Plus. Well, Avon setting spray, but Fix Plus, a lot of people say. See if it gives me any more intensity. A little bit, not loads. And this was the Cocoa blend. Go off and put my mascara on and find some lippies. So guys, I am back. This is the finished look. So hopefully you enjoyed it. The eyeshadow looks absolutely stunning. I'm so happy. So and I ended up with the Belmont red. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. Any comments below, would appreciate. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.